Today's topic Russia Ukraine war impact inflation in Europe hit a record high. Consumer prices in the 19 countries that use the euro currency increased by an annual 5.8% in February, the European Union Statistics Agency Eurostat reported Wednesday. The latest numbers underscore continuing pain for the continent's consumers and piles more pressure on the European Central Bank. It grapples with when and how to raise interest rates to ease inflation. The latest inflation reading smashed the record of 5.1% set last month to reach the highest level since record keeping for the euro started in 1997. Inflation in Europe, as in other major economies, has been fueled by surging energy prices, and the problem will be complicated by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Russia, a major oil and gas producer, has been hit with sanctions and export restrictions that have raised worries that supplies could be cut off, though that has not yet materialized. Thank you and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe करना ना भूलिए. Thank you.